Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use XERO Inventory. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the XERO website and make sure you are logged into your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where all the features of XERO are available. Next, look for the Sales tab. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Products and Services. This is where all your inventory items are listed and where you can add new ones. Now, to add a new item, click on the New Item button, usually easy to spot on the page. This opens a form where you can enter all the details of your product, such as name, description, buying price, selling price, and quantity on hand. Fill in each field carefully. Accurate information here is crucial for keeping your inventory organized and avoiding stock or pricing errors later on. Once you've entered all the details, double-check everything, and when you're sure it's correct, click Save. That one click officially adds your new product to your XERO inventory, making it easier to manage, track, and analyze your stock levels. And that's it. So that is how you can use XERO Inventory. So that's all for this video. Thanks.